Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the notification panel here, and just to change the ringtone volume we should swipe to the up or to the down this volume panel. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just hold for a while this panel, and after that you can also swipe it to the up or to the down. Okay, and after that we can also make it by the second way. Just first open the settings application, tap to sounds and haptics, and we can also here change the ringtone volume by swipe to the left or to the right side this volume panel. And we can also use it change it with the buttons, but first use this switcher. And now we can see here that the volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted using the volume buttons. And as you can see, by this way we can also change the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.